David Buster's. And it's the holidays. Ugh. Awesome. Okay, so we just got back from David Buster's. It's cold as heck out there, guys. Super freezing. It is 15 degrees outside in New York City. But look at, we won little David Buster glasses that we will probably use maybe once in our life. But they're still pretty cool. Now that I've had a little time out, I'm going to start a little writing and then clean up this place because it's an absolute mess. Okay, so it's been a couple of days and I haven't vlogged because, okay, so this was my effort to try to organize things. So I have to do inventory. I have to do a full audit, business audit, and I have to do inventory for that audit. And let me show you what's going on. Okay, so if you see here, all of this has to be organized. All of the fabrics and the pieces that need to be worked on have to be put in a certain place. And then all the machines, as you can see, like down here, has to be maintenanced. So I have to maintenance both machines, which is gonna take me a minute, but I have to do that like every 3 years or so. And then if you look up here, you'll see that I have a bunch of fiber that needs to be arranged and organized there. And then, okay, seriously, if you look there, look at this. So I started putting everything in piles in order to get it organized. But, and here's what happened. Okay, me and plus one, my partner, I call him plus one. So our futon broke, right? So, like, our futon broke down. So it's broken. The futon is broken. And we had to go to IKEA to get another futon. So like, we had to go to IKEA to get another futon today. So I have to stop organizing, right? Stop working on the studio and spend my evening working on the futon, okay? Because this space is where we sleep. And the spare bedroom doesn't have a big enough bed for the both of us. So it's a twin and the spare. And so this is where we sleep when he's here. So I have to work on that today, which kind of sucks and puts me back in a whole bunch of scheduling stuff that I needed to do. So I'm a little annoyed. Like, not blaming anybody. Yeah, a little annoyed, but it's okay. What can you do? It's furniture, right? You have to, if it's, I mean, I did, you know, to be fair, I did have that futon for about, wait, I have glare on my glasses, for about 7 years. So I did have that futon for about 7 years. So it's had its day. It's due, you know. And sadly enough, the futon I just recently got, I don't like it very much. It's not, look, IKEA was crowded. This is the first time I've ever been to IKEA, and I'm sure it's okay, but it's not my cup of tea. I've seen nicer pieces of furniture, but hey, I'm not gonna be using this as much as I you know, would have to use it. So it's fine, you know. We only stay here for a little while, and then when we're not traveling, you know, we're here. So it's not a big deal. So yeah, it is what it is. So I have to put together the IKEA furniture. So I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'll show you the end result in another vlog. I'll test out the IKEA furniture and tell you what I think. That's what I'll do. I'll tell you what I think about the IKEA furniture. But now I have to take apart this monster. I have to take apart this and then put it, because one of my colleagues is gonna recycle it. You know, I'm a big upcycler, recycler. So they're gonna recycle it, and then I'm gonna build the new one. Okay, everybody, pieces and loves and all that good stuff. Bye-bye, my creative thinkers.